August 2018. We made it. We did it.
Dream Riders who has been excellent, taken care from everything.
Hi there, Chris Robinson. I'm from Tauranga, New Zealand.
I'm Glenn, me and my brother from Sydney.
Hi, I'm Sangeeta.
Hi, my name is Thomas.
I'm BG from Sweden.
My name is Malcolm from Australia.
I'm Sundar, I'm from Chennai. This was my first ride with Dream Riders.
It was an amazing experience.
The team was really awesome.
The adventure was amazing.
Very professional.
They knew each and every road, they knew each and every place very well. They know where to stay, they know where to eat. Everything was very well coordinated.
Every time checking motorcycles, cleaning, checking and see everything is good.
Do it. Cool Dream Riders. You will never, ever regret it.
Absolutely amazing trip. The accommodations were great.
Had an amazing time, lots of sights to see.
So the timing on the brakes was excellent. The food, the accommodations were great.
I experienced it throughout because this is a team and a company with integrity.
Accommodation, the food, the whole ride.
Dream Riders is an excellent team. The entire crew had ensured that we have a great experience.
It's adventurous. It'll keep the dug going always.
We signed up for adventure level around 7 out of 10, and I think we're probably 11 out of 10.
The can say it's been to the highest pass in the world.
We want more dust, more bands.
We have conquered Umlingla.
I enjoyed every minute.
I was crying. We would come up to the different points and do see this mount. It was emotional to see the land.
We had an amazing experience with Dream Riders.
Is that our last pass of the day? No, second last.
Great work to the team. We'll always come back to Dream Riders.
I will cherish this forever. Thank you so much. Dream Riders, thank you so much.